everyone, welcome to Indulge with ET. Today's video is a little show and tell. I'm going to unbox a few of my latest kitchen purchases. I did a little lockdown shopping a few months ago on harrodscarf.com.au and I'm finally getting around to sharing those buys with you today. As a cooking enthusiast, I'm also enthusiastic about kitchenware. Buying the right pots and pans really does enrich the cooking experience. However, that does come at a big cost sometimes. I do believe in saving or waiting for a sale to make sure I can get quality pots and pans at a reasonable price. I hope you find this video helpful, especially if you are in the market to buy some new kitchen items. And if you're here to enjoy the unboxing, I hope you find this video fun to watch. And thank you to all my returning subscribers. It's so great to have you back here again. And to everyone who's here for the first time, I hope you enjoyed this content and consider sticking around. All but one of the products I'll be sharing with you today are from a well-known brand called Smith & Nobel. Smith & Nobel have been making pots for years and are well known to produce pretty decent cookware. The first item on show is this 14cm copper-based milk pan. This is also from the brand Smith & Nobel. It is cute, I love the copper detailing, but more importantly, the copper at the bottom of the pot will ensure even heating. The inside of the pot is non-stick, so it's perfect for making those custards for your desserts. This little number was selling at $49.99, but I got it for half price, guys. Now, don't you just love a good deal? Lately, I have been loving cast iron enamel cookware. This particular design of pots have cast iron enamel coatings without having the very heavy feel of a full-blown cast iron enamel pot. Here we have a 28cm lightweight grey cast iron frying pan. Isn't she just lovely? If you like her, I'm sure you will also like the rest of the family. I made a savings of $79, which definitely adds to the allure. Now this frying pan is going to be excellent for browning meat and probably for caramelization as well. Of all items, this one is probably my favorite. I have been sizing up the market for some time now for a decent butcher's board, and this one from a brand called Bialetti is an absolute steal. Acacia cutting boards do not come cheap, and can you believe I made a saving of nearly $75? It was a great shopping experience, guys. Next is another member of the cast iron clan. Now this pot would make an excellent stew. Yes, what do you guys think? This 26cm casserole pot came down to $59.97. It is equipped with a glass lid, which definitely scores at more points in the aesthetics department. As someone who creates cooking videos, when I consider buying cookware, after the obvious, which is quality, the next most important factor is the aesthetics. Pretty cookware complements a nice dish and adds to the entire viewing experience. Let me know if you guys agree with me. So back to this unboxing. So here we have the middle child of this little family. It's also a lightweight cast iron pot with a glass lid. The outer coating is this beautiful light grey and the inside is your typical white or cream cast iron enamel. The handle on this glass lid is slightly different from the other one, but I think this particular style is more convenient. This shallow cast iron pot is going to be perfect for making sauces and perhaps for deep frying as well. This pot was yet another great saving of close to $60. Last but not least on the list is this valued family member. This wok is the cousin of the family. With its beautiful polished red exterior, it is a sight for sore eyes, in my opinion. It also comes with a glass lid with a round metal knob. In total, I made a savings of $309. Yes, $309. Thank you all for watching. If you are interested in grabbing these pots, I'm going to leave the link to each of these items in the description bar below. Thank you for sticking with me. If you've watched until this part of the video, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are absolutely amazing. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and I'll catch you all again in my next video.